Good day, guys. Hope you guys are all doing good. I'm going to take you through a glance on how the value added tax in Oman is going to have an impact on the restaurant and retail businesses. Okay, the first thing is there will be a compulsory VAT registration threshold like 38,500 Omani Riyal per annum for those businesses who have a turnaround like that. So there's a compulsory, VAT registration for them. Now let's go ahead and see how we at Saleculator help you guys to get 100% compliance for your business needs. All right. The first thing is there are three categories of value-added taxes in Oman. So the first one, as you can see on this slide, is the VAT 5, or which has a 5% on most of the goods and services. There are certain exceptions on essential foods and items, medical care, and education and financial services. So these are the exempted cases. But apart from that, most of the goods and services are gonna be, taking with the 5% of VAT. Now, there are two other scenarios. We have the one is VAT 0, the other is VAT exempt. The VAT 0 applies for exports of goods or services. Okay, if you're gonna do some export business, now that's gonna be affecting you with VAT 0. So that means it's a 0 rated VAT. Okay, so you don't have to worry much about it. And there are certain financial services. Okay, education, basic food stuff, rentals and healthcare and public, all these are coming under the VAT 0. Now VAT exempt are those, like there are certain items which are completely exempt from VAT. So we are providing you the link on our blog. You can see our link for our blog on the description of this video. You can click on the link and reach out for our blog, information about the VAT in detail on our blog. Okay, so the VAT exempt, now let's see what are the difference between VAT 0 and VAT exempt. The only difference is that a 0 rating allows the businessman or the businesses to reclaim any VAT they have paid on their cost. Okay, but on the other hand, for the VAT exempt, it's not the case, and you cannot reclaim any VAT that you have paid on the cost. All right, so that's the difference. Let's get on, see what we have next. So these are the certain guidelines or the certain deadlines rather when you try to register for your value-added tax in Oman. So these are the deadlines and the financial turnover for your business. So these are the limits. For example, the first line, you can see the first line shows that for any business that involves a turnover of more than 1 million Omani Riyal, so that you got to start the application process from Feb 1st to 15th March, which was already passed. So as you could know, you already know that the 16th April was the first implementation. That's the registration date for any business that has a turnover more than 1 million. All right. You guys can see all these limits and deadlines on our blog as well anytime. So you can go through this slide on the blog. So let's get with the next one. The next one, it shows how we go ahead and help you in this, achieving the 100% compliance for the value-added tax in Oman. So these are the certain tactics we have in our software. Certain, like, we have tax categories, multiple taxes. Like any taxes you need to apply your transaction, we have everything right there. Okay, you don't have to search around. And the next one is customer tax categories. We have categories of taxes according to the certain customers you deal with. So that makes you easy to get along with your transactions. The next one is we have segregated the taxes based on main category and the subsequent categories, like the parent taxes and tax cascading process. That makes your transaction easy with embedded taxes. Now the next one is input and output tax reports, which also facilitate for your easy transaction on all business needs. All right. Now we have multiple ticketing modes based on your mode of ticketing, and we have fast product lookup. That saves you from a lot of time that is being spent on that search. All right, so we have fast product lookup, and then we have embedded barcodes with taxes. Okay, so if you have a barcode with the products, you can embed the taxes along with that, and then you have multiple payment options available on our application, so that is easy for you. That's going to be more flexible when you do transaction with the value-added taxes. And we have multiple tariffs as well based on the customers and the type of business you do. All right. So these are the few of the techniques we help you and we guide you through achieving the 100% compliance. But there are a lot to say, all right? So I cannot, accommodate everything in this simple video. So you can reach us back anytime for an elaborate session of the demonstration or a walkthrough. You can reach our website anytime. Now, the features that we have, there are certain features on our Saleculator. These are you can always check our demo version. It is free to download from our website, and the basic stuff and the feature is we combine your retail and online shops at one spot, so that you can manage both from one place. All right, you don't have to split. Okay, so everything is taken care of from one centralized location, whether it's a retail or online, whatever type of transactions or business. Now, anybody can easily, edit our software. Like if you have a technical background or if you are a technical savvy guy, you can customize it according to your business needs. Customize the software looks and how it works according to your needs and business. All right, and we have a 100% well-documented website. Okay, for any kind of support. So if you guys have any kind of questions on how to use and access your the application on your POS, you can anytime visit our website. That is www.saleculator.com, and you can go for the documentation part on it. You can click on documentation, and it will get you to all the documents at one place. All right, all you got to do is there will be a search field. You got to search it using your keyword, and whatever issue you face, you search it using the keyword, and it's gonna get you that document right in front of you. All you got to do is go through the documents, and you can do it yourself. Now, our goal is that we don't want our customer to reach for our service agents all the time, and because we do understand that you guys are really busy during your transactions, and we don't want to waste your time. They will get this regularly updated on the documentation side, so that you guys have a easy access and you can learn on our website. So you guys can check it out for yourself anytime. This is a VAT embedded software, so you don't have to worry about the taxes, be it any kind of tax process. It's a simple algorithm. You can do it yourself. Okay, and by default, all you got to do is just add your products on the software and just continue with the process without worrying about the steps and the procedures. There are so many other stuffs that we have in store for you guys, and these are the certain important links for you at Oman. These are the actual Omani government portal to reach for. Click on this link and it'll guide you through the process and how to get registered. All right, so having said that, if you guys have any other questions, or if you want to have a tutorial on a demo on our software, you can reach us anytime. www.saleculator.com. I'm going to provide you with a link for our blog on this video description. You can click on the blog link, come to our website, and you can click any of our links to get connected with us. All right, meet you again on another video. Thank you for your time.